Criminality or accidents frequently occur in urban areas, therefore, surveillance system is indispensable for tackling them. One of these surveillance efforts is by placing a lot of CCTV in public places, especially on the road. But CCTV has limitation, it's not capable of detecting any events automatically. An intelligent system that are able to observe and detect events automatically is required in order to increase surveillance performance. Our system that we have developed is an answer to this need, introducing Street Watcher. Street Watcher is a surveillance system that can detect events at one location and have been integrated to the authorities to be addressed. Street Watcher has outdoor device which is equipped with solar panels, GPS, wireless internet, camera, and microphone. Street Watcher detects sounds that exist around to see what is going on. When a collision occurs, there will be a big boom sound. The sound will be captured by the microphone. Then the outdoor device will send an alert message with a photo of the location to the command center. When the command center receives the alert message, the command center needs to confirm what is happening in the area through the picture. After a message has been confirmed, then the command center officer needs to relay the emergency message to the authorities such as a police or a hospital. Street Watcher has these advantages. Easy installation because it uses wireless internet as main connection. It uses fewer data quotas because only use quota when sending and confirming message alerts. Overall price is lower than CCTV. In the future, Street Watcher smart system can be improved to detect traffic, and by installing it on many places can help to map city noise. Comfortable city is safety and responsibility for residents. Smarter city, smarter life.